Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a very exciting unboxing from Erin Condren. Look at this baby. The box is bigger than me. I have $300 worth of Erin Condren goodies in this box that I am about to unbox right now. Stay tuned. If you are not subscribed to my channel, make sure you subscribe down below and turn on that little notification bell icon so you can get future video updates from me. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. I would truly appreciate it. Now on with the unboxing slash haul. All right, everybody, as you can see, there is a lot here. So I'm not going to be able to go through everything. I'm just going to do a quick overview of my haul. And then I will be back to go over the Life Planner binder, as well as the brand new deluxe monthly planner and how I'm setting up my folios, because I will be getting the wine one tomorrow. I already have the charcoal one, and I purchased the navy with this order. I have the whole desk organizer set. I also got 3 sets of washi tape. I had purchased 2 of the triangular style sticker organizers with 2 sets of the stylish storage box metallic dividers. I meant to get the calendar and forgot these are wet erase markers, but I can use these actually for dashboards in my planners, and the cute little magnetic and cork pins. And then this comes with every order, and there's usually a coupon code. The folios always come in this beautiful Erin Condren bag. I apologize in advance. I am rushing. My son is about to be home from preschool. This is this like sapphire navy color. I'm super excited to put it together. I didn't get it personalized. My God, that's like the biggest box I ever got from Erin Condren. I got the beautiful fall cover for the deluxe monthly planner. These are the inserts for the Life Planner binder. I am super excited to try this out, you guys. Also, I got the metallic washi duo decorative, like the asterisks, and then I got the kaleidoscope pattern, which these have been sold out for a while. I've been eyeing these up. I love the colorful dots. And then this is that sticky flag book. I loved this book. I saw this somewhere on Instagram. It has that elastic closure like the Erin Condren bands. It's exactly just like the Erin Condren band, but smaller. And of course, I already broke it. I am in love with this little sticky book. It's like a sticky note book. Sad part is, I don't even hardly use sticky notes, but they were just too cute not to get. Next up, this super cute accordion pouch. It's 6 pencil cases connected. Look at that. How cute. I can't wait to figure out what to do with it. This is the Life Planner binder. I opted for the charcoal. I am waiting for the totes to get back in stock. The suede ones, I am dying for one of them. Last but not least, we got the 2019 daily planning set. This is August to December, 3rd and 4th quarter. So we got the monthly customizable, I believe it's undated, along with the daily customizable petite planners. There is the petite journal checklist. I thought this was super cute. I had to get it. And then the desk organizer, I went for the painted petals. And lastly, I will be putting together my on-the-go petite folio system and showing you how I utilize that also. So don't forget to subscribe and make sure you turn on notifications so you get future video updates from me. Also, please give this video a thumbs up if you like my content. I would truly appreciate it. And have a great day, everybody.